back to my channel. So today's video is a little get ready with me. I'm going out for a friend's birthday and I thought I would record myself and show you my outfit. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. I have to rush this because I'm hot and my battery's low. Love ya. I recently just purchased this honey infused lip oil by a company, I can't say the name, I think it's like Jisoo. I'll link it down below. I saw a few people using it and they really liked it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Hopefully it does the job. Feels nice. Before I do start my base, I actually bought this new product, which is by, it's not new but it's new for me. It's the NYX brow glue. I just wanted something to stick my brows down, so I'm really hoping this works for me. For primer today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Foundation, I'm also going to be using a NYX product, and this is their Born to Glow foundation, and I'm in the shade Walnut. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C13.5. Setting powder, I'm using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Kunafa. I really need to get myself a new like under eye powder. I know that Huda Beauty is coming up with a pressed powder, so I might purchase that one because I'm kind of getting bored of using this Fit Me powder, but I'm going to be using this anyway to do my under eye. I didn't mention it, but I did go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder in the shade 460 to use it all over my face. blush today, I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage blush in 001 Pink. And to bronze my face today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Deep today. I have like 3 shades that I kind of like mix and match between. I want to use this one because it's kind of like, it's not too reddish, it's kind of quite cool toned. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just feeling for a cool tone bronzer today. To set my face today, I'm using the NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. I think that's what it's called. So for lips, I'm going to do my usual. I'm going to be using the Fenty Heat in the shade Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to also be using today the Kiko Milano Hydra Lip Gloss in the shade 03. I'm just going to pair that with a dark brown lip liner. Kind of don't like how grey that's looking on my lips. I'm just going to get another pink. I'm just going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is actually, yeah, Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow in the middle instead. Much better. It's so hot today, I'm actually struggling. I didn't want to do too much with my makeup, so we're not doing any like eyeshadow or anything like that. Yeah, because I can't. If you don't know about this drink, get to know. This Purdy's natural energy drink is so good. I love it, and I get it from Tesco. Really random, but yeah, if you want like a really nice drink, try it. So I've already done my hair. I've like pink curled it, so I'm just gonna take those out. I really hope this hairstyle suits what I'm wearing today. I hope it lasts just because of the heat. I feel really bad. My dog is in the background panting really heavily, but like I've put my fan on. She's got a cooling mat. I don't really know what more I can do, and I've also been spraying her with a like a water bottle to try and cool her down. But this heat is just so much. I actually was like very productive, and I used yesterday to decide what outfit I was wearing. And honestly, I'm so glad I did, because I went through my whole wardrobe. I was just so stressed because it was like, this is nice, but it's too hot for that. So initially, I'm gonna wear a pair of white denim shorts, sorry, with a white top, and I just thought to myself, it's just gonna be too hot. So I figured it out. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you guys now anyway what I'm wearing after I've finished my hair. So I want to use a bit of hair polisher to just give my hair a bit of gloss whilst I loosen up the curls. Okay, that's cute. And I'm actually going to be leaving this bit pinned back just because I feel like it. And this is what it looks like. This lighting is like really like mugging me off when it comes to my lace, because generally my lace, you can't see it in person, so I don't know why it's like coming up on camera like that. But anyway, this is cute. I like it. I do feel like I need a little bit more blush though, because it's like my face isn't blushing. You've got to go heavy with the blush. That's much better. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna get my outfit and show you guys before I put it on, and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing these earrings today. These are just some Gucci studs. Apologies, my camera doesn't want to focus, but they're just simple Gucci studs. For perfume today, I'm going to be wearing my Twilly Hermes perfume. This is Twilly de Hermes perfume. I really like this, my favourite perfume. I've got like 3 of them. I really need to like try out some other perfume just because I just wear the same one, but it is what it is. So I'm going to be wearing this yellow play suit. Yeah, perfect, it's catching the colour. It is a little bit short, so I might wear some like nude tone, let me focus. I'm going to wear some nude tone shorts underneath so that my mum doesn't have a heart attack. But I thought this would be nice to go out in because we're going out for drinks. I don't know if it's like outdoors or anything like that, but I don't want to be too hot and constricted, so I thought this would be perfect. And then for the bag, I'm going to be wearing this bag, and this one is from Zara. I got it on sale, and I just love it. They had it in black as well. But I'm so sorry, I'm really happy with my makeup. Like, I'm really happy. Like, I always do the same thing where it's just focus on skin, but I'm like happy with how I look. But anyway, let me get myself dressed and I can show you what it all looks like on. So for shoes, I'm going to be wearing these wedges. These are actually from Next, and I bought like 3 pairs of wedges from Next because they were just really nice. These ones have a diamante straps all over them. If this focuses, that'd be great. But yeah, you can see it's really cute, and they aren't super high, and they're very comfortable, so I'm gonna wear those. Better. So this is it. Hopefully you can see the full bottom bit. So that's the bottom of the outfit. Really cute, really simple. So that is it for this video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Any suggestion on videos would be amazing, so comment them down below and I will try and do those videos for you. But see you in my next one, guys. Bye.